everyone! I want to talk to you a little bit more about subtracting mixed numbers. Last lesson, you did such an awesome job identifying our mixed numbers and our numerators and our denominators, and even simplifying fractions. I was very impressed. Now it's time for us to learn what to do when something happens called having more on the floor. Do you remember back when we were doing just regular old subtraction? When we are doing regular old subtraction, we have a number like 24 minus 16. All right, take a look. When we start to subtract 4 minus 6, wait a second, I've got 4. Can I take away 6? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't take away 6. This number's too small. I have something called more on the floor. Do you remember our rhyme? It's from a long time ago, and boy, have you come a long way since then. If I have more on the floor, I go next door, get 10 more, bring it back to the store. So this actually becomes 14 minus 6, not just 4 minus 6. Now I can go ahead and subtract. And so I guess you're asking, well, Mrs. Gordon, what does this have to do with fractions? I learned this a long time ago. I'm way smarter than that now. Well, today we are going to have to do renaming with mixed numbers. So take a look here. I'm gonna put over here, here's two mixed numbers that I want to subtract. Now, easy peasy, they've got like denominators. And so as usual, I know my answer is gonna be in fifths, but I have something not right here. Take a look at my numerators. When I go to subtract, I have 1. I want to take 1, and then I want to take away 4. Well, oh, wait a second. I can't take away 4 from 1. Let's see. 1, 2. I can't take away 4 from 1. 1 is too small. So I'm going to circle this in green. I have more on the floor. And that's a problem because I can't subtract these numbers until I fix that. I'm going to have to rename these numbers so that I can subtract. And I'm going to rename these numbers by making them into improper fractions. We're literally giving them a new name. So remember a couple lessons ago when we made mixed numbers into improper fractions? We're gonna do that same thing before we subtract now. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And we're gonna bring over our denominator, 9 fifths. Now let's do our top mixed number. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, 11 fifths. Hey, now look at that, I've got 11. Can I take 9 away from 11? Yes, I can, because 11 is bigger now. 11 minus 9, let's do that. Let's see, 11, 10, 9. Okay, so 11 minus 9 is 2. And I know my answer is going to be in fifths because both of my denominators are fifths. So here's my answer, 2 fifths. Pretty nice trick for renaming, huh? It's not too hard. The only thing you have to watch out for is not to get tricked by this tricky bottom number here. Let's do another one. Let's do 2 and 1/6, and then we'll do 1 and 5/6. Okay, now here we go. We're subtracting again. That's when our objective happens. We always have to rename when we're subtracting and if there's more on the floor. Take a look. I pointed it out for you, but if we went to subtract this, 1 minus 5, 1, take away 5, 1, 2, I don't have any more. I cannot take 5 away from this 1. So I'm going to have to turn this into an improper fraction. Both of my mixed numbers I'm going to have to turn into improper fractions in order to be able to subtract these numbers. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 sixths. Now I'm going to do my bottom number. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. There we go. All right, now I have 13 on top. Can I take away 11? Yes, I can. All right, let's see. 13, 12, 11. 13 minus 11 is 2. 2 sixths. Now I know that I can actually simplify this answer. I'm going to go over here, find my factors for 2 and 6. 6 has 1 and 6, 2 and 3. My common factor is 2, so I'm going to divide both numbers by 2. And my final answer is 1/6. There we go, guys. So I hope that you are excited to be able to rename. It's a pretty simple process. If you need to, you can stop and rewind this recording and go back and watch it again if you need to look at the process and practice the process some more. Check out the video, check out the link that was shared with this video so that you can practice more renaming on your own. Good luck, work hard, have fun, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.